Then the purpose of calling Dr. Prarthana, because now she is having dual role today. She is the joint coordinator for marketing course, as well as she is the coordinator for executive peering course. The coordinator for marketing course is Dr. M.L.N. Rao. He could not come today because of some personal exigencies. So Dr. Prarthana, who is professor of marketing, and she's also our alumnus, Dr. Prarthana. Then she'll talk about the course on marketing as well as executive peering course. And thank you, Prarthana. And there is also advisor for executive peering course, Dr. Mathur, S.K. Mathur. You will be meeting him.
Good morning, Director, Dean, my dear colleagues here and friends. I am Dr. Prarthana Kumar and I am here given, as Sir mentioned, dual roles of talking about two different programs. I welcome you all on behalf of our coordinator for the marketing program and also for the advisor of the executive PGDM program. Just as the word states, marketing, I'm sure all of you will think about it. Anybody here who says, I've never purchased anything in life, not even 1 rupee ka saman? You can raise your hands. I agree, none of you would. Because I'm sure one of us must have purchased something or the other. Marketing typically would mean the science of how, why, where, when somebody purchases. How can you motivate somebody to do so? I typically believe in this, and I'm sure all of us also do. As human beings, we are very empathetic people. And marketing teaches you to be more empathetic. Ideally meaning, feel somebody else's pain and provide them the solution to their pain, though you might not have it, right? So if you are somebody who wants to understand it from a science point of view and make it into an art as to how do you understand selling goods or services or doing market research or understanding why the brand is called the brand or what makes a brand special, why do people run behind Chanel or Prada, why people really, make the market move, why does anything in the stock exchange really, one small product addition or subtraction can as such change the whole market game, then this program is meant for you. So if you have an interest towards understanding research, understanding consumerism, understanding what consumers do and why, and if you want to make sure that you are able to be empathetic human beings, then I would suggest you are welcome to the program. Any other queries related to this program, I'm around, I can help you out with. To give you highlights about the program, as IP always does, we have areas related to our curriculum being extremely good. Because this is marketing, you will also have to understand this fact that the dual specialization offered, but marketing becomes your default. So you will, more than the others, you would get a couple of more subjects related to marketing that you would learn, and you will be able to understand things a little more better, because this is how it is a specialized stream, I could maybe mention. All the other programs also have this is a common thing that we have an SIP program, and marketing also is one among those. Recently, just as a fun fact, I would want to share that the SIP department could bag around 84 KS numbers, KS SIP numbers, and that's a big number. I must say, that is an extremely big number. So you should be able to understand that we not only worry about you getting the theory, because that's what we are here for, but also the practical, and that's something which is extremely important. So you would never miss out on the practical for the theory or the vice versa. Now coming to the program that I head, which is the executive program, any one of you here who has at least over 3 years of work experience and wishes to pursue their education in addition to working alongside, you can please come in. This program is run on the weekend module mode, and we do not, you can work and then simultaneously learn. So that way it gives you the edge there. Now, what I could say as the highlights of the executive program is that it helps you accelerate growth. If you are people who are really looking in for faster career growth, and that's of course only for people who have work experience of at least 3 years, if you're looking in for faster career growth, this is a program that you should surely consider. for your experiences, because over the curriculum, we work in for teamwork, we work in for inclusive growth, we work in for leadership to be fostered, and that's something which distincts this program from any other. In addition to this, I just wanted to mention this program, I guess, of course, peer learning is everywhere, but industry-based peer learning is something what this program offers at best, because you have people from across industries who come across and share their learnings from industry to industry, so that makes it extremely interesting. So with this, I would close saying that one's net worth is somebody's network. And that is what Executive PGDM caters to. It gives you the network across industries. Thank you so much. All the best in your choices. Good day.
Thank you, Dr. Prarthana. Dr. Prarthana is a professor of marketing, and Dr. M.L. Rao is also professor of marketing. So I thank Dr. Sailaja and director for giving me this opportunity. Thank you. We'll be meeting all of you.
Thank you so much, sir.